Praise the Lord. Welcome to this video. In this video, today we are going to see how to add lower third for live stream through Verseview into Vmix. Let's get started. Open Verseview and click Verseview. Click Remote, Verseview. And there will be two links. First link is for if you have two PC, one PC for Verseview and another PC for live stream. You can use the first link. Second link is for if you have only one PC, presenting and live stream in same PC. I choose second link and click Enable the menu theme. I select lower third E2. And copy the link. And open Vmix and click Add Input. And select Web Browser. And paste the link. And click OK. And go to Verseview and click the verse. And that's it. If you want to change the language, click Bible and click Select Version. And set the primary version to English or other. And click Save. That's it. Thanks for watching.